Welcome back. And now, avoiding permanent damage when removing an ingrown hair. Refrain from digging out the hair. Ingrown hair, especially if they are on the face, you may be embarrassed or they may be causing you a pain. However, you should never try and bathroom surgery and use tweezers, needles, pins, or anything else to dig out an ingrown hair. This increases the risk of infection or scar formation. Don't break the surface of the skin by digging, cutting, sketching, or anything else. This can cause irritation, infection, or scarring. You can try to leave the hair alone to let it heat naturally. Number 2. Avoid removing more hair from the area. If you have an ingrown hair, don't try to remove any more hair from that area. As soon as you notice it, stop shaving or waxing that area immediately. You should also stop shaving, tweezing, waxing, or removing the hair in the affected area until the ingrown hair has been cleared. Once you have removed the ingrown hair, try to leave that area alone for a few days. For men, if the ingrown hair was in an area you shave every day, consider not shaving for a few days. You may try alternate methods to removal such as clippers or depilatories, etc. And recognize the dangers of ingrown hair. Ingrown hairs irritate the skin and can form bumps that may be itchy or become extremely painful. Ingrown hairs may also become infected. If they get infected, they may become filled with a wish or yellowish greenish pus. And sometimes the bumps get darker than the surrounding skin, and this can cause permanent discoloration and scarring. Ingrown hairs can also result in scares, especially if a person tries to use a needle, pin, or other object to dig out the ingrown hair. Most of the time, you won't need to see a doctor because of ingrown hairs. However, if you are afraid the hair has gotten too ingrown or hurts too bad, you can see your doctor.